AVAproject provides a variety of effective tools to accelerate the takeoff process and make the task of estimating accurate and efficient. As with any tool, AVAproject truly shines when users take full advantage of the powerful features offered in the software. One such feature is the ability to easily split and combine opening schedule rows that contain identical openings. When preparing an estimate, the initial takeoff typically contains only information that affects the overall cost of a given opening. Estimators will usually omit information that isn't pertinent to the price. Details such as handing and locations are left for the detailing stage after a job is awarded. Opening quantities can be entered using either the quantity column or the associated opening numbers column. On smaller jobs, or when opening numbers have not yet been provided, opening quantities may be entered directly into the quantity column. When opening numbers are provided, estimators may choose to enter them in order to ensure an accurate overall opening count. In AVAproject, opening numbers can be entered individually in the form of a comma-separated list, or as a range. When a list of opening numbers is provided, AVAproject automatically counts the number of individual openings and fills in the value in the quantity column. Opening numbers can also be expressed as a range, separated by a hyphen. Once again, AVAproject counts the number of individual openings in the range and fills in the appropriate quantity. In each case, the information and details provided on a given row are applied to all that row's openings. When a job is awarded, the time comes to detail the individual openings. It now becomes necessary to fill in the specific aspects of each one. When the particulars for one or more openings grouped in a single row are different, they can be easily separated or split by highlighting the row, right-clicking on the row header, and selecting Split Individual Openings from the context menu. Each opening is now given its own line in the opening schedule, and details for each can be selected or entered as required. When rows containing opening number lists or ranges are split, each individual row is assigned a unique opening number from the list or range provided. Schedule rows that were previously split into individual openings can just as easily be recombined or bulked in order to facilitate the detailing process. Simply highlight the desired rows, right-click on the row headers as before, and select Combine Identical Openings from the context menu. Openings with identical information are combined, grouped together into a single row as before. Once again, any changes made to the combined row will apply to all of its openings. Rows that do not have opening numbers assigned, but are combined with those that do, are identified with a question mark. This acts as a placeholder, reminding the detailer to add opening numbers when they become available. Opening schedule rows can be split and combined repeatedly as desired, until individual details such as location information are added. In some situations, assigned opening numbers may themselves contain hyphens, in which case it would be preferable for AVAproject not to treat them as ranges of numbers. Users can modify or disable the range counting feature within AVAproject by clicking the project option in the toolbar, selecting Project Conventions, and navigating to the Opening Numbers tab. Here, the user can manually uncheck the box labeled, use a hyphen to denote ranges of openings. When this is done, AVAproject treats numbers containing a hyphen as a single opening number. Similarly, when opening numbers haven't been assigned or the estimator wishes to use the opening number column for notations, the automatic counting feature can be disabled entirely. In which case, quantities can be entered manually, notwithstanding anything entered in the opening numbers column. Combining rows is useful when entering details that are common to a large number of openings and can save a great deal of time completing a project.